Hi everyone. In this the grammar for to explain this part of speech. Part of speech is a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now the functions of the words and examples of the word. When this is the mention for this to identification, this the now to everybody should be then have the practice. Or also kindly do conjunction or also and daily need for to this there were the practice good our opportunities someone here the student here now everybody should be here this to practice in this grab worksheet and the most important for two article in this there 2 marks or question and daily need for this to practice definite article indefinite articles all the mention for to know then the homoeopathy articles and overall so then I had the practicals of the articles identification in the write them your the practice and this the question and answer now then vocabulary do identified of this to mention for your this to one word answer now need for this to sheet of this to work and good opportunities in this the grammar so this one add the one question for to highlightly then here this very important syllabication to 1 marks or question have to identification this the grammar to everyone should be this there this the practice or also then here the collective words collocation and identification this the part of this the working and the daily need for to everyone that were the meaningful understand now everybody should be then have the practice or also homopomo words and parcel word verbs and good opportunities there now there here that here the good opportunities some here now in this the practice or also good opportunities someone here active and passive voice and more than our the practice now you are also in this the main for the dedicated someone here the worksheet and there is now where the helping words now where the practice if classing someone here then here then you are the practice overall and good opportunity someone here now we are also and the functions of languages combinations of the work now I mean languages of functions and the registrations of the function and finite and non-finite of this to work and ready for this to practice and now we are there also and the main mention to this their practice direct and indirect of the speech and reputed of this to man perfected this the smite action and good tenses of the direct indirect have to work and reporting of the speech now worksheet and this the practice in this the writing daily need for this two pages are the practice now everyone that should be with this the more than are the practice degrees three types of degrees positive degree comparative degree superlative degree first to the example positive degree comparative degree and superlative degree or also some more than is to for this to practice name identified of this to practice and choose of the mention of this to practice and right now we are the practice someone here good working good methodsing down now we are the followed it then working now we are also question tag and now we are the question tag the negative positive words and negative and this the positive words and worksheet and question and answer more than our the practice more than our the practice and over also frame the question underline of this do then there is the profile of this sentence there you daily need for to the for 3 marks or question or also and good is there the profiles and also everyone this is the paragraph right now here then here also story development have to story for to the development for to the achievements and practice and also picture description now you can see this to forest mention for to identification there and good our description and now we are then daily to need from the practice and other also good opportunity someone here now we are also practice and picture description and there so we are also very important Need someone here the practice and corroborates in the picture description. Worksheet and this the practice. So many is there. Now where also is a passage or question and 2 4 marks are question. Daily to reading and writing as a speed for this to practice and essay writings. A forest, national forest and important sports. And last one is there letter writings practice letter writing practice writings and official letter, personal letter, and another of the letters or the I have to mention someone here step by step or the mention someone here this to there here. Then I have the question and answer. So we are also practicing the more than of the letter writing here also. Good and opportunity someone here there is the very well see observe the watch of the videos. Thank you very much. I have dedicated someone here the speech someone your Jagdish sir. You should thank you for to watching in this the my videos. Thank you very much.